Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video watching me work, and today we're redoing Mama's nails. I did this set for her winter set. It has the sweater design and then a cute little snowflake design with some gems in the middle of the snowflake. The gems came off of one hand. I can't remember which one exactly, but this one right here looks like it has a gem, so I just use my cuticle nippers to get that off. But other than that, I'm just using my e-file to go ahead and remove the design on all 10 fingers. And then I'm also going to be using my hand file to reshape the nails since she's wanting to go towards a coffin shape for this next design. And then after that, I'm also going to take my cuticle bit and remove all the skin off of her nail bed. I didn't record it all because it was kind of lengthy and, to be honest with you, kind of boring. Filing is my least favorite part. But after we're finished with that, we're going to start the acrylic application, and I did get that recorded for you guys and I zoomed in. I only recorded on one hand though, so that I wasn't boring you guys with all this stuff that I'm doing, so we could just get straight to the design, which is of course the favorite part. So I'm just dehydrating and priming every nail, and then after that I'm just going to go in and fill her nails with the acrylic. Her nails didn't grow too much. It has been a couple weeks and my mom's nails tend to grow a little bit slower, which is fine. So I'm just going to really concentrate on getting the acrylic into that cuticle area, making it all nice and flush again, and then also trying to keep that apex in there as well. And once I'm finished with that, I'm just going to go with my hand file, reshape if I need to, shape the sidewalls, file the free edge, the free edge, and the cuticle area as well. Okie dokie artichoke. Once I have both hands done, the acrylic application finished on both of those, and they are filed and smoothed over, of course, with the smoothie file that I use, we are going to start the design. And we have glitter nails, like a glitter gradient, and then as well as some solid black nails. So these solid black nails I'm just going to paint in here, and it is with Easle down the road from Finger Paints, I believe, and it's just the black color. And like I say in my other videos, I absolutely love Finger Paints gel polishes. They're nice and thick and pigmented and opaque, and I usually don't have to do more than one coat. Sometimes I will do two just to make sure, but it's really nice to not have to keep building up coats and making the nail look really thick and blobby. So I'm going to do that, and then after I'm finished with those two and curing them for 30 seconds is what I did, I'm going to start on the glitter nails. And I'm going to do a glitter gradient, and I'm going to be burnishing these with yellow stopper. I like burnishing more because I feel like it shows the glitter off more than encapsulating the glitter. Now, of course, if you're doing like a glitter French or something like that, then I would definitely encapsulate, or if you're doing more than one glitter, like a glitter trail or like a super intricate glitter design, then I would really recommend encapsulating into the acrylic. But this is just a simple gradient and then a simple full glitter nail, so I'm just gonna be burnishing. Plus it saved me on time and it looked really, really awesome. So just sit back and watch this, and when I come back we will be able to put some cuticle oil on the nails and we'll be finished with the entire design. I just wanted to really hop in here and give you some specifics on the gradient glitter nail I'm going to be doing, since I kind of realized that it probably didn't really make a lot of sense in the last way I explained it. So I'm just going to be putting yellow stopper on the free edge half and putting black glitter on that, and I'm going to be doing 2 coats of that. Then I'm going to take the yellow stopper and put it on the back half of this nail and put the rose gold on that, and I'm going to be doing the same with the thumbnail, and then the ring finger is just going to be solid rose gold glitter. So just a little FYI there while you're watching it. guys, here it is, the final design. It's so pretty. It is such a New Year's Eve design. I love New Year's Eve. Is that a word? Whatever. Anyways, it is such a New Year's Eve-ish. We're gonna give up. It is a gorgeous set, okay? It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's full of glitter, and we've got the solid colors matte and the glitter's shiny, and it's just such a beautiful contrast, and I love the rose gold and the black together. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and love this design as much as I do. I absolutely love what these guys bring in to have me do on their hands. I get so impressed with myself every time, and I just could stare at my fingernails I do all day long. I know that probably sounds really cocky, but I've gotten a lot better over the years, and I'm really proud of myself, and I'm just so glad that you guys are here to experience the journey with me and to learn more with me. So if you guys loved this as much as I did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. I love the support and I love the feedback, so don't forget to comment on these videos either. Tell me what you like to see. Also follow me on my Instagram at Nebraska Nails, and then add me on Snapchat while you're at it, and that's at FlyShy18. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful evening or day or night or morning. Goodbye!